not to fear taking of loans, so that they can be able to do or to finance the enterprises. So as the Youth Enterprise Fund, we are very committed to working with young people to ensure that they get the right skills to do their businesses, as well as in terms of marketing, be able to work with them and ensure they're able to get their products into the market. So this far is to encourage the young people to come on board and ensure they reach our offices here in PC for us to work with them very closely to ensure they manage their businesses and be able to progress. And the reason why we are doing this is to ensure we create jobs and create wealth by encouraging or assisting the young people to start or expand their enterprises. This far, we are on training our young people on entrepreneurial skills, financial management skills, and even bookkeeping. This training is geared to ensure they are able to manage their businesses professionally and run profitable and sustainable enterprises. So we are doing online trainings for our young people. So we have adopted ICT to ensure we are able to reach as many young people as possible, and to also ensure it's cost effective. Another thing that I wish to talk about is that currently we have an opportunity for our young people to venture into apiculture. This is as a result of Youth Fund signing an MOU with the Savannah Honey, where we have agreed that we'll be financing the young people with 100,000, and Savannah Honey will be able to supply 15 beehives, and they will be able to provide technical assistance and trainings on apiculture. And by the end of 1 year, we anticipate that group should be able to make 1.4 million. And this is from the products of bees, like bee venom. We have honey, we have bee pollen, we have bee propolis, we have the royal gel. So all these products, Savannah Honey has the market. So it is the work that is remaining is for our young people to venture into that culture. They should reach us so that they start producing, because already we have the market. So it's up to them or up to us, the young people, to make a decision and venture into the agriculture. And in the long run, we'll be able to generate decent income, decent jobs, as well as be able to mitigate on issues of climate change. Around 50 youths that we are training. So we are still onboarding more youths that we are training online, and then finally we make a visit to see what they are doing. And I would want to say that it's very important for our young people to change their attitude. That alone is not something bad, but it is good that you are using somebody's money to do business, get profit, and then pay back the money. So I would say that let our young people not fear to take up loans, but once they approach our office, we'll be able to train them on how they can do their businesses, the best opportunities that are available, so and how to better manage their businesses to ensure they run sustainable enterprises, and in that way they'll be able to grow and we'll be able to grow our economy.
How expensive?